learn everything in English to speak English fluently. We learn English when we spend time with English. You can use Free for Talk, you can use English speaking community, you can use YouTube, Google, ChatGPT, and many more. We meet on Zoom, we talk to each other on the breakout rooms, and that's how we improve. You can improve your English and you can practice your English speaking. Have you ever thought about it? Why you can't speak in English? Why? Millions of billions of people can speak in English very easily, but you can't. Any idea why? Because I never talk in English in my house or in my school or in my university. So how can I talk? We never thought about it, right? But we should. We should think about it. Why? Why we can't talk in English? What is the problem? Is it the mindset? Or is it the environment? I'm not good enough. My brain is not very good. My brain is not very fast. In today's video, I'm going to talk about that. What is your problem and how we can solve that problem? I will tell you the reason and I will tell you how you can solve all the problems. The first one is your environment. You never talk to in English with other people in your school or in your university or in your family. That's why you can't speak in English. Number two, probably in your school, you never learn English. Probably you learn only the grammar or sentence structure or only vocabulary like this, but you never practice. That is the second reason. Third reason is probably you never use English. We learn English when we spend time with English. You don't have time to learn English. That is the reason. Maybe because of your life, because of your work, because of your family, you don't have time to learn English, to practice English, to speak English. That's why you're not fluent in English yet. How we can solve these problems? We have to find the reason why we need to speak English fluently. We need the very, very big reason. Probably some people say, oh, I want to learn English because I want to travel. Okay, where you want to travel? When you want to travel? Okay, next year on November, I want to go to UK, London. So that's why in this 1 year, I want to speak English fluently. Right, so it's a goal. So you have to fix a goal. You have to write why. What is the reason? Okay, after 6 months, I'll have an interview. And I have to talk in English in that interview. So I have to learn how to speak English fluently. We need reason, very big reason. And we have to set a goal. For goal, maybe you can write in your diary, a piece of paper. This is my goal in English. I want to speak in English fluently in next 3 months. If you can do that, you can fluent in English. After you set your goals, you have to find strong areas in English and weak areas in English. Like, okay, I am weak in present perfect tense or past indefinite tense or future continuous tense. First, find out where you need to improve. For example, I need to improve my vocabulary or phrasal verbs. I don't understand phrasal verbs. So in that case, you have to improve your phrasal verb. Specific thing. We don't need to learn everything in English to speak English fluently. We just need few vocabulary, few expressions, few sentences, and just practice those sentences, and that's enough. Set the goal and start finding your weaknesses, and then start working only that point regularly. Set a daily routine for improving only that specific. You have 5 grammar issues, so you can set like, okay, 1 grammar, 1 week. This week I will only work on present perfect continuous tense. You just start working every day, 5 sentences, 10 sentences, write and speak. And that's how you can improve your grammar. I want to practice with other people. But I don't have anyone. I don't have friends. I don't have family members where I can talk. So in that case, we have a very, very amazing English speaking community, free. So you can join, you can participate in different activities, challenges, vocabulary challenge, speaking challenge, tongue twister challenges. And actually, when we finish the challenges, we meet on Zoom, we talk to each other on the breakout rooms, and that's how we improve. You can improve your English and you can practice your English speaking. And another one, if you want to practice with strangers around the world, anyone, there is another application called Free for Talk. So you can go there. I have a video about this. You will find on the description below too. I will also add the link of those videos. One is for English speaking community, another is for Free for Talk video. So you can watch that video and you can join, right? And you can talk in English and you can practice. So in this modern age, speaking a language, improving English, fluency in English is very easy because technology does that. Websites, free websites, apps. YouTube is a great platform to improve your English. You can use Free for Talk, you can use English speaking community, you can use YouTube, Google, ChatGPT, and many more. You just need to understand which one you should use and which one you need the most. But for practicing English, you have to set a time, like 1 hour or 30 minutes every day, in the morning or before sleeping. By reading books, you will understand some structures, how people talk. You will know your problem and your answer by yourself. If you can learn by yourself, that is the best way to learn English or any other topic or any other languages. That is a video today. I just wanted to make a random video about our problem and how we can solve that. So I hope you understand. I hope you have some knowledge about how you can practice English, how you can speak English, and what is the issue. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like the video, and hit the bell icon because I upload many videos. I upload lessons and videos every single week. Okay? So thank you and see you in the next video. Happy learning!